Alrighty, Randy, here's your little 347. Give you a description of this combination. It has got our CNC head on it. Obviously got the blacked out Borla. Got your valve covers on it, if you want it. Front sump oil pan. Blacked out front end. Make sure the alternator charged for it. Custom ground hydraulic roller. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,600, 372 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 421, peak horsepower 492, rated 500, so it's got a front end, so it runs real good. And we'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, and show you a couple other things. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. It's got your engine build specs, dyno video, wiring stuff. Highly recommend plug in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have some other specifications plus the engine number. If you need anything from us, that's the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got this QR code. Hover over that, click on it. It'll take you to our site and some other tech stuff. So really recommend watching all this. It'll help your experience as far as the installation a lot better. Have a great day.